As I told you, my mother was a communist, verbrannte communist. And after my father left, she told me, Gigi, we are going to Russia. One of her sisters, Mania, also was a communist. She went to a seminar to Moscow, met somebody there, and married him. And she said, Poland has no future for us, and let's go to Russia. I was 6'3", 6.5", something like. And I still remember even the trip on the train going to Warsaw. We used to live near the Red Square. You see, Mania, her sister, was married to somebody that worked in one of the secret weapon factories. So I didn't know anything about it. I was going to a kindergarten, learned songs about Stalin, about Voroshilov. The Russian leaders were my gurus, if I may say so. And I learned the language very fast. And I spoke the good Russian language. One day, my mother said, look, tomorrow you don't go to the kindergarten. There is a funeral. The famous Maxim Gorky was died. And there will be a funeral crossing the Red Square. And I wanted to be with me and to share honor to the famous writer. I remember it was a very cold day, and we were standing there with a tremendous amount of people. 2 lines left some place for the funeral to go out. In a certain time, I saw 6 black horses going slowly, carrying a coffin where Gorky was in it. After him, about 10 meters, Joseph Stalin was marching. And I knew his pictures, I knew everything about him. And then I yelled to my mother, see how small is Stalin the Big. I meant short. And these 2 NKVD people were standing near us, and they gave a big smash on my ass. And I remember they were cursing me, Durak. Durak is stupid. And then one of them said to my father, you better prepare 2 valises.
Your mother, yeah. To
Yeah.
your mother, yeah.
She was with us.
Yeah.
I was with her. You better prepare 2 valises because today in Siberia is very cold. So she took me and we went home. My mother felt very bad about it because of this stupid boy. And since we were Polish citizens, nothing happened. My mother worked as a translator from Polish to Yiddish for the Hind, the communist Yiddish paper that came out. I think the editor was Michalas. And this how she made living. One day, they were told, all the staff of the paper, that a group of inspectors from the party is going to participate in a meeting, and they will ask some questions. And they came, and there was a meeting. I wasn't there, of course, but I know from my mother's story. And one of the questions was, which is the best solution, do you think, for the Jewish people? They all said Birobidzhan. And my stupid mother said Birobidzhan, but also Palestine. They were shivering. They became white. My mother realized that she made a mistake, but she couldn't do anything. She called her sister, Mania. She told her the story, asked her to do something about it. She said, there is nothing you can do about it. And 24 hours afterwards, knock on the door, we got to Enkeve, the people came in. Within 24 hours, you have to leave the Soviet Union.